Rice, bread, chicken, apple. What do you like to eat? I'm Deacon Rigo. Let's find out how to say it in English. Listen first, then repeat after me. Rice, bread, chicken, egg. Say those four with me now. Rice, bread, chicken, egg. Excellent. Apple, fish, vegetables, fruit. Say those four with me now. Apple, fish, vegetables, fruit. Great job. Now let's learn some drinks. Water, milk, juice, tea. Say those four with me now. Water, milk, juice, tea. Well done. Picture talk. Look at image number 1. What is he eating? He is eating an apple. Look at image number 2. What is she drinking? She is drinking milk. Excellent. Look at image number 3. What food do you see on the table? Point to it and say the word out loud. Conversation. Now let's hear this in a real conversation. Listen carefully. What do you like to eat? I like rice and chicken. What do you like to drink? I like juice. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and say both parts out loud. Now let's read together. Read each line as it lights up on the screen. I like rice and fish for lunch. My favorite drink is juice. I don't like coffee, but I love milk. Nice reading. Grammar. Here's today's grammar. I like and I don't like. Here are some examples. I like rice. I don't like coffee. I like chicken, but I don't like fish. Now it's your turn. Complete this sentence. I like and but I don't like. Great job. You could say, I like juice, but I don't like tea. Writing practice. Pause the video and write these 2 sentences in your notebook. I like rice and juice. I don't like coffee. Then write 1 sentence about a food or drink you don't like. Now we come to homework. Before our next lesson, write 4 sentences about your favorite food and drinks. Say them out loud 3 times and tell a family member 1 food you like and 1 you don't like in English. Well done! You can now talk about food and drinks in English. If this lesson helped you, click subscribe. Next time, in lesson 7, we'll talk about shopping. asking for things, talking about prices, and shopping in English. Click the video on screen right now. See you in lesson 7. Goodbye